Hi, thanks for watching. In my last video, so you're thinking of buying a Maserati Ghibli, I made an incorrect assertion. And I want to set the record straight in this video. In my last video, I made the assertion that if you have a brand new Maserati under warranty and you bring it to a shop that's not Maserati approved or not the dealership, and you have your service done at that shop, it voids the warranty. Now that is incorrect, at least here in the United States. I don't know about the United Kingdom and Europe and other countries, but here in the United States, we have a law, and that law is the MagnusonMoss Warranty Act of 1975. And what that law is, it protects consumers who have warranties on cars and all kinds of products. It restricts on, it regulates what they can put in the contract, how the contract can be written, and how it's administered. It protects the consumer from paying for the warranties and then being denied the service altogether after paying for the warranty service or paying for the warranty contract. So this MagnusonMoss Warranty Act of 1975 was passed in 1975 by Congress. In 2011, SEMA, Special Equipment Market Association, we know who they are, their association of aftermarket manufacturers, they asked the FTC to confirm that installing aftermarket products on new cars with new car warranties will not void the warranty under that law. And the FTC confirmed that under that law prohibits any manufacturer from denying a warranty claim on any product for using aftermarket parts on that product. And that includes cars, Maseratis. So my Maserati owner buddies, if you own a brand new Maserati and you want to mod it, go for it. But there is one caveat to all of this. If your mod causes damage and the onus is on the dealership to prove that that aftermarket product caused the damage, then they can deny your warranty claim for the damage that was caused. So it would behoove you to verify with the manufacturer of that aftermarket product that it also has a warranty, or first of all a guarantee that using it on your car is safe, and a warranty that if it does damage your car, the warranty will cover the repairs to your car as well. So with that, I just wanted to set the record straight. I don't like making false statements on my videos, and if anybody catches me making a false statement on my video, please correct me. Post a comment down below and leave facts in your comment, and I will research it and I will do another video. And if you give me permission, I will even mention your name. As a matter of fact, this issue that I'm discussing right now, I found out in the Maserati Facebook groups, and I don't have this individual's permission, but thank you to him. He probably knows who he is for posting that information in the video, because I've been saying all along that if you have your brand new Maserati under warranty, serviced at a different shop, it voids the warranty. That's not true. Well, thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell. I have some more videos coming out. I have a little less than 2,500 miles to go before I do my major service on my car, and I'll be doing a video on each one of those. So please subscribe, hit that bell, like this video, and until my next video. And if you own a Maserati, be sure to get your thrills every day.